What is up, guys? Today is October 8th. Let's look at the markets for today. Here I have SPY trending up again, so doing good for the day. Um, Even though a bit choppy early on, but did end up well. So it is breaking upward of my top resistance line in there, and it is looking bullish. However, I still am maintaining the hedge position on this one, so I still feel that this will turn around, and I need some kind of a hedge in place. Let's look at the Qs. Qs also breaking to the upside and very much close to my resistance line at the top in there. Um, but some of my key tech stocks, they didn't do as good as the Qs itself. So I'm not very sure in the long run, but I'm just looking at the charts and saying it is bullish. It may turn around. I have no positions on the Qs in my portfolio as of now. IWM, this is keeping just gets going up here, so it is ripping, and um, and to my kind of surprise, I thought this would not go this much. This would be the least. This always has been the worst performer among the major indexes, and this ripping up in here, I don't know what to make of it, but I do have a hedge position on this one as well, a short side. So it is not looking good for me on this one. However, all my other positions are bullish, so that's making up for my losses in here. Let's take a look at Apple, one of my primary holdings in here. It is moving sideways, so it is not making that much of money on a daily basis for me, and especially with all the hedge positions, I was expecting these things to move up. Q is moving up, but Apple not moving up in here. Now this is kind of forming a bull flag in here. So it a rip up higher, slight sloping downwards. That's not even showing a sharp downtrend, and it might kind of break this upper trend and move higher. So that's what I'm looking at as a bull flag in here, but we never know. It may go down with the entire market. AMD is maintaining its strong run in here. Just want to make it a little brighter. All right, so this maintaining the bull run, and this widening wedge is getting wider in here. So very very good sign in the long run. So I am expecting, along with the other semiconductor stocks, this also keep running in here. Today was a small down day. Still the trend looks pretty upright in here. Looking at Microsoft. It's a kind of broke above the bull flag in here. Very slight break in here, so it doesn't actually mean anything. I'm going to draw this line. Maybe I just take it off. All right, so it should break above this line. If it bounces off this line, then it becomes bearish in there, but it looks like it is trying to move upward in there. All right, so among the positions that I've been tracking for this video log, Baba did very well today again. Moved higher, broke the 300 line in there. I don't know if this is all-time high, but it definitely looks really good for my portfolio, since I bought it somewhere around here, right? So it made a good run, and we can see a good profit as well on this one. Fastly, kind of expected a downturn in here. It was a down day, more than 3.5-4%, but my green line still looks pointed upward with the momentum. So I'm good with this as of now. I'm expecting kind of a down day and a few down days, maybe reach out to 108, 109 to tag this 13 EMA and bounce back. If not, it should bounce back at least on the 34 EMA. In here, we should be somewhere around 105. But again, if it breaks below that, then it becomes bearish, but not looking that far ahead on this one. Marvel still a steady uptrend, so I'm good with this. Looking good. Square did move quite a bit today. 1.5-2% in here, and it's maintaining the uptrend, sharp uptrend in here. Very good on that one. Workhorse. Yesterday I was eyeing on this one. Today I thought it had made the ultimate break of this flag, got into this call, and it market reversed. So I did take take a position on this one, but it turned out to be a bad decision. But let's nonetheless, that is part of the game in here. You cannot win everything, but I'm holding it for now. And since I didn't have that much of money, I didn't take a really uh, long expiry date. So on this one, so I had to go with a fairly closer expiry on this one, which is again not a good sign for me. Let's take a look at the numbers. All right, with Baba doing good, 2400 around, and the 300 one is also showing a little bit of negative. That's understandable. I'm going to adjust it right away. Fastly went down a little bit, 1500 on the plus side. This one I had to close. I thought it was ripping early on, and I thought I need to actually close this one by buying this at 1502 with a loss of 238, and kind of sold the 19 call a week later, expiring a week later, and for which I got a premium of 1452. Right now it is at 1275. So that's the portion I entered today. So this one is closed. Marvel steady on this one's. Square doing good today, nearly reaching 1500 on this one. So this was a legitimate reason to close this one by buying it back at 865. That's not bad in here. So this one I closed, and then I bought I kind of sold the 185 call expiring 1 week later for a premium received 942. So it's slightly in the money right now. This workhorse got into the call, wrong timing, so market turned. So I'm negative 122 on this one. You can see the expiry of this one, right? So it's January 2021. It's typically not the period that I would like to enter. I like to go at least 6 months out. Should be at least March from today's point of view. So I didn't have enough money to go that farther away. So I did buy this one. Right off the bat, it doesn't look good for me, right? So I'm not sure if I can cover, if I lose the entire 1000K on this one, sorry, 1K on this one, will I be able to cover by selling the calls? Let's see on that one. So I'll keep holding this one, and it is good for tracking purpose as well. Overall P&L up to now is 3,350. Not bad for the second week, right? That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye.